In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Microsoft sign-in problem in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From desktop, click on search and type services and open it. Here you have to find Windows Update. So just scroll down and double click on Windows Update. Then click on drop down icon of startup type and select automatic. Then make sure service status is running. If it is stopped, then click on start. After this, click on apply and then click on OK. Now close this window and from desktop click on search and search for registry editor and open it. Here expand H key local machine. Then expand software. Now scroll down and expand Microsoft. Then scroll down and expand Windows. Now expand current version. Then scroll down and expand policies. Here you have to click on system. Now in the process codes you have to double click on enable LUA. Here you have to select value data 1. Then click on OK. After this, close this window and from desktop click on window menu and from here restart your device. It will fix your issue. So that's how you can fix Microsoft sign-in problem in just few easy steps.